Man, what's happening? Say good morning, Papas. It's early in the morning. I just got off work. It is approximately 6:49, and this is my first PC build. Monotech X3 mesh version. Wheel of Fortune type shit. Man, it's a good tower, mid tower. We got 6 fans. Good for airflow. You can't be mad at that, man. And it was affordable. It was cheap. We got our B550 gigabyte motherboard, a beauty. Our graphics card is 6600, Radeon RX. We got our Ryzen 5 processor. You know what I'm saying? CPU fan. Right here we got our power supply, 650 watt bronze, a little powerful, a little something. Then we got our King Spec SSD, 1 terabyte. I do plan on adding another Vengeance, LPX, 16 gigs of RAM. Pretty nice. We got the Asian Horse extension cables and booty butt naked motherboard so we can start building. Plus our oil shield and Wi-Fi antennas. It's our Ryzen 5 processor, little show and tell. What we got going on, just be careful, make sure you drop the pins into it. You'll hear it. Call me out for your free reading. Yeah, who's the father of the baby? Then you secure it, you know what I'm saying? Then you good to go. Right here is our Ryzen 5 CPU fan. Line them up with the screws, you know what I'm saying, so it can fit. Then when you do that, then just screw in everything. But don't screw everything at one time. It'll be uneven, so you gotta screw it in crisscross. Remember that. And then we put our CPU fan into the motherboard. And right here, our 16 gigs of RAM. Pull back the 2nd and the 4th slots for your RAM. Insert them, have a little push, you can hear it click. Hood nigga pose. Yo. And it's our SSD, King Spec. I should have had an overhead video, but it's a standoff that you gotta insert the screw into. Once you insert it, man, you'll be good to go. And that's what it look like right here. And these are our cable connectors, so everything won't look so crazy. I use 3 of these cables, they're not shown, but one of them is a 24-pin connector. The other one is the CPU, and the third one would be the graphics card. Putting in the power supply with the case. Getting it right, setting it up. Then we gotta, screw that boy in there, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm talking about here? Little testy test. This is what it should look like. Get your motherboard, line it up in your case. Don't forget your I/O shield. There's also standoffs that you need to screw the motherboard into. And when you do that, do the middle one first and do the rest of them. And make sure you use the right screws. That is important. I will not lie to you. Then here we go. We on our CPU connector. Connect that to the motherboard. Make sure it click. Bling, blah, brr. You feel me? Then bam, onto our 24-pin connector. It goes in one way. Same thing. Make sure it click. Give it a little push. It'll click, and you'll be good to go. This is our USB 3.0 cable. I am missing a step with the power supply, at the bottom, but we here, get that in, get it secured. Then right here, it's our graphics card. This is our Radeon 6600. Good graphics card, man. A little ASMR for you. You know what I'm saying, dude? Then make sure it clicks and it's aligned right. I am missing a step on the bracket, so that's my fault. And go ahead and screw it in. Make sure it's nice and tight so your damn graphics card won't go nowhere. Then right here it's somewhat the end result, but we got it to power up. Here we go, drivers, Windows 11, whatever you can think of, man, we getting that done right here. And then, it's how you know when you're done. You take the goddamn plastic off the goddamn kids, yeah? That was a nice feeling. And that's what we looking like right now, man. 6 fans, RGB or LED, whatever you want to call it. Pretty nice build for my first build. I'm not mad. I'm actually extremely happy. Man, it took me 3 days. I'm not mad at all. And then this is what my desk looked like. I was running a mini PC, and I had to upgrade. So remember, Afterpay, Klarna, ShopPay, any of them 4 installment programs that y'all get, man, use them if you got good credit with them. Until then, build that shit. I'ma fuck with you.